Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. That's a direct quote from Helen Keller. Let's talk about fostering collaboration because it's one of the keys to unlocking collective success and innovation. You see, when you work together, you combine diverse skills, perspectives, and ideas, creating solutions that no one could achieve by themselves usually. So foster collaboration, it drives creativity, it enhances problem solving, and builds stronger, more cohesive teams. You can start to embrace a collaborative mindset by actively listening and sharing knowledge and supporting others. Likewise, encouraging open communication and respecting each contribution are also important. The power of collaboration lies in its ability to turn individual strengths into a unified force. So make collaboration a cornerstone of your approach in everything that you do. Because by working together, you amplify your impact, you achieve greater results, and create a more positive, productive environment. Together, you're not just achieving goals, man. You're exceeding them. And in the process, you're inspiring each other to reach new heights. So collaborate and keep on pushing.